Greetings everyone အားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါနေကောင်းကြရလားကျွန်တော်နာမည် Kenneth ပါ I'm Kenneth Wong, the author of Easy Burmese and Survival Burmese from Tuttle Publishing and a language instructor. Glad to have you along for this episode. What you're listening to is a Burmese song called Thube by Neme Ain and Wiyitet. The key phrase you keep hearing in the song is in fact the title of the song. It's Thube. So let's do a simple breakdown. Thu is the pronoun for he or she. Be, also pronounced be in some cases, is the keyword for this lesson. This is the restrictive particle that works like only in English language. Here in the song, it means only he or she or only him or her. It works quite well in a duet because in Burmese the same pronoun is both for male and female. So the same phrase can be used both by Neme Ain, the male singer, and Wiyitet, the female singer. Suppose you walk up to a fritter seller in an open market in Yangon and you're confronted with this tray of variety. How would you tell the vendor what you want? Well, you can tell the young lady you'll take Samosa, which is the Burmese word for this triangle-shaped Indian snack. You say, Samosa yume, Samosa yume. Or, if you like to try these fried squash, you say, Boothi jaw yume, Boothi jaw yume. If the young lady press you to take more and you're not interested, you can actually say, Samosa be yume, I'll only take Samosa. One more time, Samosa be yume, I'll only take Samosa. Or, Boothi jaw be yume, I'll only take fried squash. Boothi jaw be yume, I'll only take fried squash. Suppose you have hired a guide to show you around Yangon and she's asking you, where do you want to go? Do you want to go to Shwedagon Pagoda, Sule Pagoda, Botatown Pagoda? Do you want to go check out Bojok Market? How about Pansudan Street, used bookstores? The way you want to say you want to go somewhere is the place name followed by Thwajende, the phrase want to go. So if you want to go to Shwedagon Pagoda, you say Shwedagon Thwajende, Shwedagon Thwajende. Or if you want to head to Botatown Pagoda, you say Botatown Thwajende, Botatown Thwajende. If you want to go to Pansudan Street, used book district, you say Pansudan Thwajende, Pansudan Thwajende. But if you decide to take it easy and you only want to check out Shwedagon for the day, you can say Shwedagon be Thwajende, Shwedagon be Thwajende. I only want to go to Shwedagon Pagoda. Suppose you're haggling over the price of a lovely piece of souvenir in a shop and you have reached your limit on how much you're willing to give. How can you say, I only have this amount? Let's say it's 7,000. That's Kwanatown in Burmese. To say you brought 7,000 with you, you say, Janoma Kwanatown Bade. Janoma Kwanatown Bade. I use Janoma because I'm a male and Janoma is the male-specific way of saying with me, at me, in me. If you're a woman, you should say Jamama Kwanatown Bade. The verb ba means to include. In this context, it means you brought a certain amount. Quite literally, 7,000 is included with you. For emphasis, however, you can say Janoma Kwanatown be Bade. Janoma Kwanatown be Bade. That means I only brought 7,000 with me. Another scenario. Let's say your Burmese friends are asking you to join them in an evening out to eat, drink, and be merry. But if for some reason you only want to eat something, you just don't feel like drinking tonight, how would you use the restrictive particle be or be? First, let's look at how you would say, I want to eat, and that is sajende. Sajende. You might be thinking, to restrict your action only to eating, you're going to put the particle be right after the verb eat. So you will say sabejende, sabejende. And you think this means I only want to eat. I'm sorry to say that is wrong actually. You see, in Burmese, the particle bear or bear comes after a noun. When there's no noun, as it is in this case here, you have to use the verb as a substitute noun. This is going to be counterintuitive to you English speakers, but this is how Burmese speakers will say it. Sabe sajende. Let me repeat it again. Sabe sajende. This is how they will say, I only want to eat. Perhaps they might follow it up with matau chimbu, the negative of want to drink. I don't want to drink. If it is the opposite, you only want to drink, you don't feel like eating anything, you'll say tau pe tau chende. Tau pe tau chende. Masajembu. In other words, you reintroduce the verb sa to eat or tau to drink as a substitute noun and end up saying sabe sajene, I only want to eat, or tau pe tau chende, I only want to drink. On pronunciation, this particle is pronounced be in many cases, but when it follows certain nouns and verbs, it is pronounced be. That is why when I say I only want to eat, I said sa be sa jende. But when I said I only want to drink, I said tau be tau chende. That's all. I now leave you with the song Thu Be, only him or only her, depending on which part and who is singing. Namadwe me, see you later. Bye bye.